Frizzing, teasing, and blow-drying are not terms we usually associate with fine art. Or at least we didn't until we met hair artists Joe Vinyard and Jeff Cournoyer, whose wild imaginations take the art of hairstyling to quite literally new heights. To them, hair is more than mere head warmer or fashion accessory. It's a matter of attitude, as we see in this story on the making and wearing of an exotic hair sculpture.
I'll have a fuzzy navel.
I feel like I'm a fashion victim now because it's someone who actually likes to seriously dress up, go out into the public.
And get attention.
And get attention.
Do you find when you guys go out to, and you too really, when you go out to clubs that you're really conscious of other people's hair? Do you find yourself looking at hair?
Yeah, I am.
Joe screams, get a haircut.
I see some stuff and I think it's, yeah, I'm real conscious of that.
I do. I always look at everybody's hair because I'm in the business.
What about you, Joe?
I think about it a lot. I try to think about try to create the most bizarre thing.
The city, we need something. We need some fashion victims. We need hairdos. I'm going to take this right along the back of her head and see if it will make a print. Let's see if it does. Make a little print. It's an old wheel off a lawnmower.
Do you think you're the only salon that uses tire treads?
We hope. We use a lot of things. We've used potatoes. We do everything. We do anything and everything. We do from totally regular hair, we'll do a little old woman into a bubble, to the most outrageous hair you've ever seen. The tire track, I thought it would come out more of in a pattern, but it needed it to be deeper treads. Maybe I should have did it with potatoes. Okay, I use a lot of gel. I don't use much mousse. Mousse makes your hair a lot gummier.
And what color is your hair normally?
It's red.
I want to get this all the way through. It's a setting gel on this section. Is what I'm going to do right now is put some wire in her hair. Create a little bit of a design. And hopefully I'll be able to get this faucet through, too, once I get the wire up and through there.
It's a faucet.
Faucet.
In my hand.
Let's spin this. Hold that up. Okay. Hold that down and hold this up as high as you can. So now we're going to start twisting.
She can pick up basic cable.
I was gonna say.
We're gonna glue that base in.
Yeah, we'll use some Elmer's glue to hold the base.
I'm trying to learn.
This is a good nylon hair. It melts real good. Go. Actually, the toned down look is here, but if you're going to make it in society, you know, as an artist, you got to have a special look of your own. You can't look like everybody else. Because if they know that this is a face of a million colors, I can be a chameleon in my own mind and in theirs.
A few things there. Okay. Well.
It's trying to see how much you can get away with, how extreme you can go. It's fun knowing that people are wondering what you're like just by looking at you and seeing you on the street.
Hairstyle.
mean, is hair like a passion, an obsession? I mean, do you think about hair when you go to sleep? Do you dream about hair? Tell the truth.
I do. I actually do. I go to sleep. My family could tell you this. I will wake up with this idea in my head thinking, I got this great idea. I got to find the right person to cut their hair looking like an artichoke. We got to color it this color. And I wake up and I think this stuff, but you got to wait around for the right person to come along. Or I got this idea for a hat. It will look just like a hat on their head when you cut it. But I do this all the time, but I don't know if a lot of people do. But hair is my life.
For me, it's just a finish to a look, you know. I mean, hair is, you know, you can do your makeup and you can put on an outfit, you know, and hair is just like the icing on the cake. It pulls the whole thing off, you know, pulls the whole thing together. You know, you can't go out with normal hair in a dress like this, you know.